Yeah, good day, guys, and welcome back to my channel today. So, guys, I was just waking up right now. So I thought of making this very content, right? So I actually funded my account with $50. I actually sorry about that. I actually funded my account with $50, and okay. So I just want to build discipline. Okay, I just want to build discipline because I found out that it's not really about having a big capital that is the issue. Trust me, guys. I just want to build this discipline. I want to build this routine. Okay, thereby there are some certain things that I actually set for myself that I'm gonna be observing. All right, so I'm still in my room, and the first trade that I took on it was on GBP USD. It was a loss. I recorded it, so I'm gonna be sharing the whole market analysis and how I executed it on my MetaTrader 5, those profit and loss that I have actually made. Okay, so I'll be reading some book. I'll be reading some book, and this I'll be reading this very book, and and I actually have some books, some trading books, but most of them and even courses, most of them are actually on PDF. Okay, so I went to look for trading in the zone. I went to look for the hard copy. I couldn't find it in the shop, right? I couldn't find it. I've looked for it so many places, but I could not find it. But I have the PDF. I have the PDF on my phone, so I'm just reading it from there. So I can't actually show it here on the camera, but I can actually show you people the certain rules that I'm actually observing right now. The setting rules is right here on my wardrobe, so I'm gonna be attaching it on this video as well so that you guys can actually follow it. So I'm going to be jumping on my chart right now, and I'm gonna be sharing the trade that I actually took on GBP USD. Today is Wednesday, right? So today is Wednesday. I actually took a trade yesterday, and the second trade on this account, it was today. All right, so I lost the one that was GBP USD, and it was just a one position, but today it was actually two position, and I was able to close about $23 on that account. Okay, so right now we actually have equity of $71 right now. So I just want to build this confidence, the discipline, bro, because trust me, it's not about the big capital is the issue. Okay, it's about you making profit. Like, it's about being profitable. It's about making profit and keeping it and not giving it back to the market. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let me jump into my chart so that you can actually see what I did and how I was able to get it done. Let's go. So guys, without taking our time, so this is why I took those this is my GBP trade. As you can actually see, market has been making a higher high from here. Touched this trend line for the second time. It bought from there, rejected from this resistance level. It traveled down all the way to this trend line again. Didn't get to this support level again. It buy from there. It went up and rejected from there. And so when it was heading to this very trend line again, I said I'm gonna be taking my trade, but I didn't know it's gonna come all the way to this level. And you can actually see that it did not even tested it. It did not test it. And this is 4 hour time frame, but this is where I actually execute my trade. Okay, so let me scale down to my 1 hour time frame. Beautiful. So look at what happened here, guys. You can actually see this dodgy candlestick was actually, yeah, the reason why I actually lost that GBP trade. It's not good for you to set your stop loss tight, but the reason behind this is because I was actually this is a small account. Okay, and sometimes it's good to maintain a proper risk management, though, but sometimes you just you just feel like growing the account. And this is the reason why I'm actually doing this, so that I can actually build this confidence. You see that I only opened one position. Unlike me, I can't really open one position in a trade because I've actually like I know how to trade. I'm profitable, but I have to build this account to see what I can be able to do. Okay, normally I do trade, I just make withdrawals. I do trade and I make withdrawals. So I want to actually leave this account for it to let me just leave it for the next 2 3 months and see what I'm gonna be able to do. You understand? So I put up a lot size that is actually small, and trust me, it's not even up to like 12 pip. Otherwise, the market I wouldn't have taken me out. And trust me, I think it was like 8 pip, and market went to my direction. It was in profit, so I feel reluctant. You know how GBP normally do. This is the most traded pair in the industry, so it always comes with a lot of manipulation. So all these makers, they know where our stop loss is. Okay, so they tend to move stop loss to that place so many times before they actually reverse the market. Okay, so and this was not my aim to take a sniper entry. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been taking that trade from there. But with the market condition, I thought it was gonna go up. It was not gonna come to that level again. So that was the reason why I executed my trade. That was the reason why I executed my trade from there, and I set up my stop loss, and it was very very tight. Lo and behold, it came and took me out before the market actually go to my direction. So I'm gonna be sharing that as well on my channel. I'm gonna be giving you a breakdown about it so that you can actually learn what happened and avoid it, be on your own. Okay, so let's go. What stopped me out? Okay, so I executed my trade right here. Okay, let me put on my session break so that you can actually see what happened. So market opened and it did as if it was going to buy. So it tested this resistance level here. It traveled all the way to this place. It tested it when it was going up. I thought it was going to go up, but it broke it. This happened to be a resistance, so it broke it and turned it to a support. Okay, so when market approached to this level, I said, okay, I'm going to be buying from this level and I'm going to be setting my stop loss below, because it has tested this trend line, and so I'm expecting it to go up from here, but it did not. So it now tested it here, so I now executed my trade. I was expecting it to go up from here, which was what he actually did, but look at where he actually come and stopped me out, guys. He come and took me out. Look at the candlestick that actually took me out. So when the market took me out, it actually went up and smashed my take profit, which is 30 pip. You can actually see that. That was how I lost this GBP trade. Okay, and it continued to go up. You can actually see that market later covered about 38 pip. Yeah, about 38 pip, guys. So this is it. So this is why I actually lost that GBP trade. It's not as if I'm not correct, but my stop loss was so tight. Look, you could imagine I'm just risking 8 pip. That was very very bad of me. Okay, that was why I lost the trade. I'm happy because it actually worked and I've learned my lesson, and the strategy does not really fail, but it's just that my stop loss is very very tight. And trust me, I don't really blame myself because I maintain a proper risk management. As a matter of fact, I even open one position because I just want to see what I can be able to do this time. So guys, I hope this quick breakdown, I hope it makes sense to you guys. Thank you for watching, and follow for more. Something that I actually noticed. Okay, if you make a trading rule that you want to follow, okay, I'm actually in the kitchen, guys. I'm actually in the kitchen. I hope you guys can hear me loud and clear. If you actually have a rule that you're actually following to trade, okay, those rules, make sure that you come it. I learned this from IMS Academy. Make sure that you put on these rules everywhere around you, because trust me, if you can be able to do this, you will find out that you're actually profitable. Okay, you have become profitable, but you don't like you have never mastered your psychology, and you have never disciplined yourself to you are not actually following anything to trade. You are just you are just hoping to get better, and trust me, it does not work. I can tell you, write it on a paper, and find somewhere in your room that you can actually be seeing it. Then you come it there, so whenever you came in, whether you're going out or you're coming in, you're going to see it. Okay, so you have to keep it in your mind. I've seen people that grow a electoral account up to some levels. I've actually tried to do it in the past, but my patience was not enough. I'm not gonna lie. So but this time I want to see what I will be able to do. Okay, it's not actually a challenge, right? So I just want to build this confidence, this routine. I want to follow these rules, right? I've made up my mind to do it, and that's how I'm gonna do it. Guys, this is what we have on the chart right now. As you can see, we're actually floating $12 profit on this trade. So I think I'm gonna be closing this trade anytime soon, because if you check, it will still have time to be on this trade or not. Okay, so you guys can actually see what's happening right here. Right, so we're actually breaking this resistance that is at this point, and if we break, above this resistance, it means we have every tendency to to get to this very resistance, this 0.86968. So guys, this is how I trade. This is how I actually do it. So I'm gonna see this trade is gonna actually give us. All right, so we actually have about $12 profited right now, floating currently. So I'm going to update you guys on this trade. My network is kind of hanging. I'm gonna update you guys later. Let's go. So guys, this market returned back, and it was trying to take me out, but I'm still in. Okay, I'm still on this trade. Let's see how it goes. I will surely update you guys. I will update you guys. So guys, this is what we have currently. We have $19 profit. Actually, we're actually running on $15 profit right now. So I think I'm gonna be closing this trade. So let me quickly share my chart with you guys, so you can see that we're covering about 21 pip yet. We're spending 30 pip, guys. So this is where I set up my TP. This is where my TP is, around this zone. Okay, so if you go to my 1 hour 4 hour time frame, you can actually see, I told you guys, if you break this this very resistance that is at this point, so we're gonna be targeting this place. I've explained earlier why I took this trade. You can actually see that. Let me remove this session break. Yeah, beautiful. So you can actually see that there is a bullish trend from this place, and there is a gap up here. So normally when market created this kind of thing, you always expect market to come back to feed this gap. Okay, so when market came back again, it just came and feed the gap and respected this zone that it actually traveled from previously. All right, so when it get to this level again, when it broke this resistance, it get to this level again, it could not break above this very resistance, but instead it rejected and it came down. Right, so when it came down, it now stopped at this support that is here, because there is actually a very strong support that is at this point. Look at it from the place that I plotted it from. Look at it, touches it here, just respecting it, guys. Okay, so and I've mastered this very trade, this very pair. It actually suit my strategy. Okay, so it actually work with my analysis and things that I look out for before I can actually take my. In fact, it actually suit my strategy, guys. So that's the reason why I actually took this trade. As you can actually see, it's going up, and I didn't risk much on this trade. I just risked 11 pip. All right, I didn't even finish risking 11 pip because I think I placed my stop loss round about here, so it nearly took me out. Okay, so if you scale down to my 1 hour time frame, look at what is happening. You can see the double bottom it has created, very very nice. Like it has formed. Look at it. Look at the double bottom. Look at it. Went up like this, came up, touches here, and now boom, it's actually going up. Okay, and this is 1 hour time frame. Remember, market opened this way. I'm gonna be making a video on how to actually take advantage of this market opening, because there are certain behavior that market does when it's open. If you guys could actually pay attention to it, it will be helping you people to make profit. For instance, I actually learned this from a book that I actually read, and I also heard some old traders in a conference. They actually talked about it. Normally when market open, if market is bearish, when market open, it will first buy before it can actually drop. Okay, and if market is bullish, it will first sell before it will drop. Okay, so look at what happened at this one. Market is actually bullish, and where it does that, it first sold, went up like this, sold again. It is because of this selling that you actually find this very support now. So if you have this knowledge now, you can actually be waiting for where market is going to take its journey from. You don't just sell or buy when market just open. Instead, you just find the thing that is doing. Then later in the day, you will now find the place that it will find, support or resistance as a market scenario maybe. Then you can actually take advantage of it, because it's not actually only you that is coming in to take that trade. Okay, so many people are so hoping on that trade, and so it's actually called intraday trading strategy. So it's another video that I can actually make if you guys want me to do so. So look at what is happening. So I just thought of sharing this with you guys today. I'm about going out, and my trade is about hitting my take profit, and I think I'm gonna be closing this trade because I don't like allowing my trade to come and become a loss again. You feel me? So I'm gonna be closing this trade in a while. I'm gonna be closing it, and I think I've made some profit. Close this trade. There's no need for me to I'm trying to grow my small account, and there's no reason for me to just stay on this trade up to now. So I'm gonna be closing it, right? I'm gonna be closing. So man, this is what we actually have right now. This is the profit that we actually make today. Okay, and this is the current equity of the of the account, and the trade that we actually closed. Look at what happened, guys. After we close this trade, look at what happened. It just I closed around this side, around this zone, and look at what happened. It dropped back to this level. That was crazy, bro. It was still gonna go up, but thank God I'm out. I'm not actually in. I'm out. So guys, thanks for watching. So I honestly do hope that you guys actually learn something from this video, guys. Because what happened to most of us is that we consume a lot of content in the YouTube channel, but we don't actually implement any. Trust me. But I really do hope that as you're watching, you're actually implementing, because that will show that you're actually learning. Okay. So please guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Catch you up on the next video. Peace out.